March 13th, and we're going to take a bit of an in-depth approach today to all numbers on Calgary's real estate market, what's happening. Or I'm going to look at month, I'm going to look at year to date, and I'm also going to look at daily stats here. So I'm going to kind of break it down here. It's going to be fairly straightforward. I'm just basically looking at the amount of sales to the new listings, to the average price, and the days on market here to see how well our market is performing. So to break it down here, May of 20 to 2021, looking at the amount of sales that we've got, 304 to 1108, almost 3 times as much. Sales are up 264%. That's massive. If you have not considered getting into the marketplace, but you are wanting to sell, that should be a real strong factor for you here. Looking at the amount of listings that we've got, 856 versus 1759, up 105%. The absorption rate, it's just not keeping pace right now. So, you're looking at the amount of active listings in the marketplace, 5865 last year versus 6390. It is up 9%, but again, you're looking at the relationship of the amount of sales to the amount of listings here. Average price point, 432,000 May of 2020 to 507,000. That's a difference of 17% up year over year. Now, granted that we did have, we were just coming out of the unknown in March and April of 2020 for COVID, but still, that is pretty strong. But this is really a determining factor here, something to consideration. 59 days versus 33 on days on market here. That's down 44%. So if that doesn't get you sort of going, you can look at the annual sales and say, okay, well, 2020 is out. Why don't we look at what was going on year to date here? Again, annual sales in 2020, 4,000, just about 4,100. 2021, 10,260. You've got a change here of 858%. So that's really strong. I'm sorry, that's not right. 150% change. You've got 150% difference there that sales are up. So also looking at new listings, you're 9,500 roughly in change to 15,000, almost 16,000. That's a difference of 67%. So, you're looking at annual year to date here. And then if you look at, the days on market here, you're down 31%. So these numbers just basically scream right now that, priced accordingly. If you are looking to sell and transition, now is the time to do it. It's in our market here. There is rumblings of putting in the stress test coming in June, but we have no further confirmation of that. Continue on and looking at daily and weekly trends right now of May. So I basically looked at May 6th through the 12th of last year, and this year, the 6th through the 12th here. So what you see again is you see really decent numbers here. The average price point, 438,000 last year versus 507,000. It's about 15.5% that prices are up. And then your days on market, this is a really good indicator right now to know if you are priced in the right in the market. If you don't theoretically have an offer on your home within the first 7-10 days, days on market is down 37%. That's a good indication to tell you that you are not priced in accordance with the market rate of what your community or your style of home is selling for. So if you are wanting to get more dialed in on the style of home, the community, and the price point, what's selling, what's hot, what's not, realistically right now, everything is moving to a degree. It's just some styles of home are a lot more popular than others. Some communities, you have the ability to push the boundary. There's 3 of us on the team. We've got a great office staff. If you want to know more and you want to get dialed in and you are looking to make a move, give us a call, 403-809-3523. Enjoy the rest of the week. Cheers.